In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Replit account. If you've decided that it's time to move on from Replit, the step-by-step guide is here to help you navigate through the process of account deletion smoothly and efficiently. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Replit account on your web browser. The deletion process must be done through the web, as the mobile interface doesn't support account deletion. First, let's head over to the Replit homepage. You'll typically be greeted by the dashboard where all your projects and tools are organized. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find your user icon, often represented by your profile picture or avatar. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your account. From this drop-down menu, the next step is to select Account. This option will take you to the settings page dedicated to your personal and account preferences. It's essentially the hub for managing your Replit profile, where you can modify details, adjust settings, and manage various aspects of your account. Once you're in the account settings, look for the option labeled Manage Subscription. Clicking this will navigate you to a new page that deals specifically with your subscription details. This page is important because if you have any active subscriptions, like paid plans, you'll want to manage those appropriately before requesting a deletion. After addressing any subscription concerns, you'll see the option to request account deletion. This is the crucial step where you formally request to delete your account. Clicking on this option typically presents you with a few more instructions or confirmations to ensure that you truly wish to proceed with deleting your account. It's a good idea to read any prompts carefully to understand what data will be removed and if there's anything you might need to save or download beforehand. Once you've confirmed your decision, follow the subsequent prompts to complete the deletion process. Sometimes this might involve re-entering your password as a security measure or confirming your identity via email. These extra steps are designed to make sure your data remains secure during the deletion process. Remember, once your account is deleted, your project's data and related information will no longer be accessible. If there's anything you wish to retain, make sure to have backups saved to your personal storage solutions before initiating the deletion. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through deleting your Replit account. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more such tutorials.